Hey, it's okay, little one. I'm gonna get you out. Easy now, I've got you. Here we go. Go on, she's waiting for you. Good girl.
Back off! Whoa! Easy, little one. Wolves! Gotcha. You're safe now. Let's get out of here. Get out of here!
Hey, buddy. Oh, you're freezing. It's okay. I've got you. Namaste. Come on.
Such a good co-pilot, buddy. Welcome home, little guy. Go on, check it out. First meal in your new house. Pretty good, huh?
Hey, whoa, little buddy. Come here. Gotcha. You're okay. Those wolves aren't getting you. Hold on. All right, door shut. Let's move.
Hey there, buddy. Easy now. I got you. Come on up. There we go.
Oh my gosh, you're safe.
Yeah, that's just water, huh? Nothing else gonna get you. Good little fella. You're okay now.
Keep it tight.
Oh boy, it's shaking so much. Easy, little guy.
Ready?
It's okay.
Good catch! Woo! Guy, hang on, gotcha. You're okay, hold tight. You're almost there. Come on.
You're almost here. That's it. Get in. Good. Easy. That'll do. Come on, get out of here. Easy there, little guy. Hang on.
Hey, buddy, come on. Yes, good. Hold on. Got it. Oh, my God. Stay.
Oh, gotcha. Easy, little one. Hang on. We're moving. Come on.
Whoa. Hey there, little guy.
Get back! Hey! Go on! It's alright, girl. I got you. Good boy, Hunter. Let's go. You're safe now. Back home where you belong. Take care, alright?
Oh my gosh, it's coming right at us.
Whoa!